Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Dyson Outsize Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful vacuum is designed to take on large home deep cleans without the cord, giving you the freedom to clean wherever you need to. With 90% more power and 60 minutes of run time, the Dyson Outsize ensures you can clean longer and with more efficiency. The power trigger helps maximize energy efficiency, using power only where you need it, while the 150% larger bin and 25% wider cleaner head allow you to cover more ground before needing to empty the bin. Not dimension, this vacuum converts to a handheld, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. The LCD screen displays power modes, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time to the second, while the auto mode intelligently adapts power based on floor type. The Dyson Outsize is equipped with 3 cleaning modes for the right power where you need it, and the digital Motorber XL cleaner head deep cleans all floor types, detangling wrapped long hair and pet hair as you clean. Plus, the hair screw tool sucks up long hair and pet hair fast, with an anti-tangle conical brush bar that removes hair from pet beds, car seats, stairs, and more. And with 4 Dyson-Engineered accessories and advanced whole machine filtration, this vacuum traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air for you and your family. Made from strong, durable, and lightweight materials, the Dyson Outsize comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime Dyson support, ensuring you have a reliable cleaning partner for years to come. So, if you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine and experience the power of Dyson, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own Dyson Outsize Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.